Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can track an Elementor form with Google Tag Manager, and also when submit this form we'll track this as a lead and send it to Google Analytics 4. So now to track this form, you need to first integrate your Google Tag Manager with the website. This is a WordPress website, and I have already integrated my Google Tag Manager with this website. So you can see I am in the Google Tag Manager preview mode and my Google Tag Manager is connected. Now let's see if this is an Elementor form or not. Just right click on the form and go to browser developer mode. To do that, just click on inspect, and here you can see, if you click on it, here this is an, you can see the Elementor form. This is an Elementor form. So now to track that, we'll use a listener code. What this listener code will do is, whenever the Elementor form is submitted, it will listen, and here this is the code. I'll provide this code, and this code will listen whenever an user submit this form, and it will push an event, form submit event, in the data layer with all the user information. So now I'll provide this code, and you need to just copy this code and create a custom HTML tag in Google Tag Manager. And I have already created this custom HTML tag, and you need to fire this on all pages. To do that, you need to create a trigger. I have already created this page view trigger. Just go to trigger section and click on plus icon, and here click on this again and choose the page view, and you can fire this on all pages, or you can fire this listener code on a specific contact us page, since this form is in contact us. So here just click on the some pages and select the page URL contains this contact us. Just copy it and paste it here. So now save this trigger. So I've already done this this one from listener. Okay, this one. So let's preview this website from GTM, and let's submit the form, and we'll see a custom event will be pushed in here in this preview. Let's submit this form, give it a name, phone number, country, test, and let's submit. You'll see this is a success message. Submission is successful, and we'll see that here there is an event, custom event fired in the data layer. If we click on it and expand the API call, you'll see that there is an event Elementor form submit with all the user data, form ID, username, then email, phone number. You can use this information for enhanced conversion for different platforms like Facebook ads, Google ads. But for in this video we'll show you only how you can send this data, this event, to Google Analytics 4 here. So now we can use this only form ID. Since we cannot send any user data to Google Analytics, we will use this form as a variable and event, this event whenever this form is submitted. At first we need to create a custom event trigger. Just copy this and create a custom trigger. Now in the Google Tag Manager, go to trigger and create a custom event trigger. Click new and click again here and scroll down and click choose this custom event option and paste the event name and give it a name, custom event. Okay, save it. Now we'll also create a variable with this form ID and we'll send this to Google Analytics 4. To create the variable, just in the website you can easily capture this with a browser extension called data layer checker. Here you will also see the custom event. Just click on it and you can easily copy this and create a custom variable. Go back to your Google Tag Manager in a variable section and create a data layer variable. Just under the user defined variable, click on new, click on here again, scroll down and select this data layer variable type, and now just paste the form. We copied this from here, right? Okay, so now after saving it, give it a name, save it. We'll use this variable for Google Analytics tag. To send this event to Google Analytics, at first we need to create a Google Analytics goal tag. Here I have created a Google tag for 𝗔𝗶𝗁. But we can create another one. Just click new, click on here and under the Google Analytics, click here and choose this Google tag. Here in this tag you need to put your Google Analytics measurement ID, which is I have already done that, and you need to fire this on initial all pages. So I have already created this Google tag for 𝗔𝗶𝗁. Here you can see I have already created this and I have already created a constant variable for 𝗔𝗶𝗁 measurement ID. Instead of using, since we need to use this again, that's why. So we can get the 𝗔𝗶𝗁 measurement ID from Google Analytics, and you need to go to your Google Analytics and go to admin and data streams. Click on this stream and here you can you can copy the measurement ID and go back to your Google Tag Manager and variable. You can create a constant variable. Here just click new and scroll down. Here under utilities, select this constant and paste this, and then give it a name. So I have already created a constant variable for 𝗔𝗶𝗁 measurement ID. Here it is, so that I can use this for multiple tag. Now we need to create a 𝗔𝗶𝗁 event tag. To create this, just under the tags tag section, click on new and the tag configuration. Again click here and go to in the Google Analytics and select Google Analytics 𝗔𝗶𝗁 event. Now we need to add the 𝗔𝗶𝗁 measurement ID here. So if we put the two curly bracket, we'll have all the variable names. Just scroll down and select this our constant variable for 𝗂𝗶𝗁 measurement ID. Here you will see a notification that our 𝗂𝗶 tag is found. Now we'll send this event to Google Analytics 4. So just copy it. You can give any name as you like a generate lead or just form submit, anything. So I'll put this as a custom event here, and as a event parameter we can send the variable we created for this form ID. If we can give it a name form ID, and if we in the value if we type 2 curly bracket, we will get all the variable names. And now we have created this data layer variable for form ID. Just select it and use a trigger to fire this 𝗂𝗶 tag. We have already created a trigger for this event. Just click on it, and here we'll select the custom event that we created earlier. Now our work is done here. Give it a name of this tag, 𝗂𝗶 event. We will give this a name. Just paste it here. Okay, so I am using a naming convention for my for better understanding. Okay, so save it. Now so let's also you need to enable this. Okay, now to send our custom event to Google Analytics, Google Analytics 4, we need at first Google tag, then 𝗂𝗶 Google tag and 𝗂𝗶 event tag, and Elementor listener tag, custom HTML tag. Everything is created for that for to track Elementor tracking, form tracking. Let's now preview and let's submit, and we'll send the Elementor form submit to Google Analytics 4. We are in the preview mode, and you can see our Elementor form listener code has fired tag, custom HTML tag. If we submit this form, select this option as a James, and give it a name, email address, phone number, and country. Let's submit. You can see that our Elementor form is submitted successfully and an event has fired. If we click on it, you can see our 𝗂𝗶 event tag has fired successfully. If we open it, we'll see that we are sending this event Elementor form submit and form ID as a parameter value. If we can check it if 𝗂𝗶 is receiving this event. Let's go to our Google Analytics 4, and if we go to admin and scroll down, you will see the debug view. Click on it and we will see an event, custom event here. You can see just Elementor form submit. Click on it and you will see the form ID here, form ID, everything here. So this is successfully tracking the Elementor form. So this is all. I hope this helps you to understand how to track Elementor form. I will see you in next video. Thank you.